Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a video from your YouTube channel. At first, for doing this you have to go to your channel at first, then I have to log in my YouTube. Okay, my channel is already here. Then I have to go to my creator studio. Here, when I'm here in my creator studio, you can see that here is all my videos that I uploaded recently. Now I want to delete one of my video, that's why I'm going to video manager. Okay, on my video manager I'm selecting this my video which I'm going to delete. So selecting this video, and then there is a button called action. Click on that, and after clicking on that, in down you can find delete option. Just click on delete. Okay, it will ask you again that will you permanently want to delete your video. I'll select delete. Okay friends, my video has deleted from my YouTube channel. That's how you can delete any videos from your channel. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like my video, then please comment, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you all.